Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're doing great today. Today I will be doing a pretty simple tutorial on how to use Skript. For those who don't know, Skript is actually a very simple and cool plugin which can help in a lot of different and unique and cool ways, like create custom items, custom commands, and that's actually done with no coding at all. It's just simple writing some sentences, and that's basically it. No coding like Java or something like that, which actually is one of the downsides, because you currently there is no big chance of being able to have a new level up. There's no chance of having a whole network made or running out of just simple scripts or complex scripts doing everything. You can recreate Bed Wars, Sky Wars, also everything like that with script, but it won't be not, I won't say that good. It will be just a bit complex and maybe just too much for a script. And that's actually one of the downsides, because Java does that well, a lot better, since Java is actually the main coding language for plugins to code in, which also means you don't have access to everything at once. Like, you need sometimes to even install some script add-ons or extensions for some stuff to work, which sometimes isn't really the best thing, especially if you have hosts or Minecraft serving hosts who don't allow you to download everything that you want, only from what they have, what they offer you. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Now let's get into the actual part of Skript. So first we need to go on this page, github.com, script length, script releases. This is their official new page where they have all the newest releases, everything they fixed, every edition, and so on. So if you land up to this page, GitHub, scroll down until you see assets. As soon as you find assets, you'll see script.jar. Download this file, move over to your plugins folder from your server, and as you can see, here's the script page, or let's enter into the plugins folder. We have script, and we have all the scripts in here. Let me show you that real quick. Oops, there are some issues. While this loads, I will show you the documentation about script. So script has a lot of, not quite variables, let's say, but they have a lot of events, conditions, effects, expressions, types, text, and functions, which is actually pretty cool. Can do a lot of cool things with it, which I will be showing you right in a moment as soon as we get over this. So now here, so as you can tell, I'm already in the script. Oh god, it's so annoying. Okay, here we are. Oops, script. So as soon as you download script, you need to restart your server. So as soon as you've done everything, like the basic installation, you'll see in the plugins folder, you'll see the plugin folder script. There you will find variables, materials, features, config, script, and backups. So variables, I haven't looked at it yet, but I don't think it is much. Materials has every material that is in Minecraft, like every book, every statement sheet, just basically every item or block that is in Minecraft. And Then here on the scripts folder, if you press it, you'll see this file and a lot of scripts with a hyphen or a dash. This means that every script containing a dash or a hyphen is automatically disabled. If you just want to enable these, just remove the hyphen here and it will be activated. I already have 2 scripts created, and let's create a new one. I'll press on new file. If you're doing this like through an FTP server or all by yourself, just create a new file and name it, then just name.sk. Let's say we're gonna make a fire sword.sk, which will stand for script, so this plugin can read and use the script. Now let's say we want to make a custom command first to obtain the sword. So we do command slash, let's say, fire sword. So what this will do is it will just create a new command. Let's create a file, fire sword.sk, create file. Let's move over to Minecraft. So here now we'll reload the plugin, script reload fire sword.sk. So we've encountered our first issue or error. Now let's move back to the file. Not seeing anything wrong with it right now. Oh, of course, it doesn't work since it doesn't have anything to activate yet. There's more required than just one line. So let's get back here. Oops. Now let's add a function to a trigger. Let's say oh, one thing I need to mention. Be sure that you're using tabs and not spaces, because spaces won't work, so just keep that in mind. Spaces don't work, you need to use one tab. So tab, another tab, give player 1 gold sword. Yeah, let's do it like that. Save file. Let's move back to Minecraft. So now let's reload the script. So if you only see these 2 messages, it means that the plugin is, or the script is working correctly, no issues were found. So now let's try the command fire sword. Oops, sword. As you can see, we received a golden sword as it's in the plugin. Now we just don't want a lame gold sword, so let's add some new stuff to it. Let's add a name to it, named fire sword. Like this, like that. Not this again. So never mind. Let's add a new lore with lore. Let's make one empty lore and another one with, let's say, this. Like that. Yep. So now let's get back over to Minecraft. Let's reload the script and let's get ourselves a sword. So there it is, our fire sword with Laura's legendary sword. A kind of high pixel skyblock reference. So now let's say we want to add a function to it. So like this, Control Link. On right click, holding gold sword, if name of player's held item is fire sword. No spaces. Let's say let's let it shoot a fireball. Shoot fireball at speed let's say 0.5. Let's save this, get back to Minecraft. We don't need this anymore. Script, reload, fire, sword. Oops, we encountered, oh. We, yeah, I forgot this L. Here, like this. Switch back to Minecraft. Reload the sword. Now let's get the sword. Here it is, and if we right click on it, it shoots fireball. Oops. Didn't want to do that. So yeah, you can customize a lot of this. So a lot of its attributes and NBT tags. You can even modify the damage. You can use a lot of cool things. So let's get back here. Let's save this. Let's make a new script. A similar one like I made here for a jump pad. So here, let's go. Let's search it up here. Let's search for an event. Here it should be. You have a lot of different events here to choose, so it's actually pretty cool. On jump, on ignition, 100 meter change, heal, grow. There's really a lot of events that you can choose, which makes it even better. Even on command. So where is the one I'm searching for? Should be somewhere here. I'm not sure what these here are. Oh. Just like oh, it's period, like every, let's say every second. Okay, that's cool. So server start, you even not have the server starting options, resource pack request response, region, enter and leave, which are used for world guard or any other plugin using or having regions. Here, let's say if a player is walking or stepping on grass, it's walking, let's say gold block. You can here choose step or walking or on or over gold block. Let's say push player upwards at speed 1. Let's create a file and let's say goldjump.sk. Now let's test it in game. Script. Oops. Script reload. Gold jump. It worked. So now let's get ourselves a gold block and place it down here. So as the plugin, as the script says, it will push the player upwards at the speed of 1. You can choose the speed. I don't recommend going too high with it. Let's see what happens if I go 5. Let's get back to Minecraft. So yeah, this will be crazy. Okay. Wow. Yeah, that was why. You can do a lot of this. So you can even, let's get back here. Let's modify it back to 1. Oops, let's reload. So like that. You can even make some small parkour extensions with this, which is pretty cool. So it says walking, so you need to be walking over the gold block for it to work. Now what if we get back here and change on step over gold block. Let's reload the script. So this really means if you're like already on the edge, it should launch you up pretty quickly and easy. So yeah, so let's add a different function or a requirement. Get back here. Let's say player is sneaking like that, and if we try it here, it doesn't happen anymore because we need to be sneaking for it to happen. So this is actually the same script I used for the slime blocks I made here. You can even choose more things like here, let's say push. Oh, can't have any spaces, keep that in mind. Push player forwards at speed 1. Let's use that. Back to Minecraft. Here, doesn't happen. Now if we sneak, it boosts us up forward. Let's remove the sneaking part. Here, let's reload. So yeah, let's change, let's say the 8. let's say upwards speed of 5 and 2, like that. Let's get back to Minecraft. So yeah, that's basically it. I think this with power with push play forwards is based off the direction you're looking. Like if you're looking down, it won't boost you forward. I think yeah, it depends on where you're looking at. So yeah, that's it. This was the plugin for today. I hope you learned something new or this helped you with some questions. And yeah, see you next time.